Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you'll stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a glam crystal centerpiece for fall. And so what you're going to need some of this floral diamond wrap, and this is from Efavormart. I've got some white pearlized beads from Efavormart. And I have some teardrop crystal pendants from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. You're going to also need some of these rhinestone buckles, and these are from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. Now what you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need some floral foam, and I've got some maple leaf picks here from Dollar Tree. They're in gold, but you can just put some glitter on them if you want to change them to silver, which is what I'll be doing. I've got some white flowers here, but you can use whatever color you'd like to make your centerpiece. If you want to go more of a traditional fall color scheme route, you could use something other than white. I've got a glass vase here, and this is kind of a fluted shape, but you can use whatever shape you like. I also have a bud vase, and just a clear glass bud vase from Dollar Tree as well. And then one of these silver trays from Dollar Tree. If you don't have a round one, you could use one of the rectangular trays if you don't have that on hand. But I'm going to be using hot glue on my project, but if you'd like to make any of the components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we need in order to create this beautiful centerpiece. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this fall centerpiece and crystal vase turn out absolutely beautifully? And this was so easy to make. Let's go ahead and start decorating with it. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another super simple and beautiful glam DIY. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.